I'm going to make the bulgogi beef today. I have about 10 ounces of New York steak, 2 ounces of onion. For marinated beef, usually people put the bulgogi sauce in it and marinate overnight, but I want to do the different way. Instead, I put pinch of salt and black pepper. And I put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce in it. Okay, after that, then I put 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in it. And for the sauce, later on, I put 3 tablespoons of bulgogi sauce. You can get it at Chinese grocery store, they have it. Okay, now I'm going to turn on the heat. Now it's hot enough. Okay, I'm going to put some oil in it. Then I put all the beef in it. Okay, I put some onion in it. And I put the sauce in it. Okay, this is all done. Okay, that's what I make today, the bulgogi beef.